So what we have here is I put down some artificial turf when I moved in about 17 years ago. And no, I actually put it in about 10 years ago, 8 years ago. So they were already, cicadas were already in the ground. So now we're going to pull up the turf and we're going to see what it looks like when they're hatching, the cicadas. All right, so here we go. Wow. So this is the network that they've created. Holy mackerel. And so they've been burrowing around, I guess looking for a way out. So you can pull that all the way to the wood, son. And so this is what cicadas look like as they're hatching. Looks like some of them may have already gotten out. And there are a lot of them. And we're going to do this one now too. It might be a snake or something underneath here. All right, Quinn, let's do this one.
Should I put this on here?
Oh, yeah, just drag it the other way, I guess. All right. So this has been here for many, many years.
Well, that's a full one.
Oh, there's one. He got out. Or she. All right. Pull that junk back. Wow, keep going if you can. So, the cicadas are out there. We haven't heard them yet, but we should be hearing them pretty soon. That is cray cray. All right. This is what it looks like when they're underneath the surface. An unintentional part. I hope this doesn't kill them. Looks like they're ready to roll, right?